Welcome back, Moose teachers. This year we're going to be using forms in our Office suite in order to help us manage everyday activities in our classroom. So let's go ahead and see how we manage all of these everyday activities using forms. You will each receive a Hall Pass QR code, a Tardy documentation QR code, and a behavior documentation QR code. Please post these QR codes somewhere in your classroom so that students will be able to scan the codes and use them for their everyday passes and other documentation needs. Here's an example of your Hall Pass. The students will scan the QR code on the Hall Pass, and the form will open on the device. You can use a tablet, or you can allow your students to use their cell phones in order to access this pass. When the pass opens, the students will have a series of questions to answer: first name, last name, ID, grade level, class period, and their destination. When they have made their choices and answered all questions, they will submit the form. The time-stamped form will be submitted to an Excel spreadsheet that all teachers will be able to access. All teachers will be able to access the spreadsheet simply by visiting your email. You will click the waffle at the top left of the screen and click Forms. For you, the forms will be in Shared with Me. You can click Hall Pass, and you can see that responses are recorded. You can view responses, or you can open in Excel and find your spreadsheet. Once students begin completing the form, you can see how the responses look. Here we have our student who has completed the form. This student is a 6th grader. And we know what period they went out of the classroom, 2nd period, where they went to the restroom. You can also view it in Excel, and it will download where you can open. Since we only have one student who has used the pass, it's going to be a very short Excel spreadsheet. There we have name, ID, grade, class period, and our time stamp. This will be a great tool to help us keep track of our students and make sure that we know where everyone is at all times. Please let me know if you need any help as we transition into using our Office forms and QR codes to streamline all of our daily documentation forms. Have a great year, teachers.